In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips to de-stress. So you're probably here because you are stressed out. Don't worry, breathe, and breathe out. I've got you covered. Hi beauty buddies, I'm Raylan from RaylanNYC.com, which helps you become the best version of yourself through my journey and to own your voice. Stay tuned for the 5 best tips and tricks to de-stress fast. They're all my personal favorites. You'll learn the top 5 practices I use before meetings and before auditions. These tips can literally be done anywhere, and they're just for you. Oh, and stay until the end of this video because I have a special bonus tip for you. So before we talk about stress, I just want to talk about my drink of the day. It is called No Nerves Nirvana. Say that 5 times fast. No nerves. Okay, anyway, so this has a lot of ingredients. It's all natural and it is so good. Comment below yes if you would like to have the ingredients. This is so good. But first, coffee. So I wanted to make this video because, hey, we all stress out sometimes. But if you're feeling overwhelmed before an audition, before a presentation, for a work event, for personal events, I'm here to help you, and I'm here to let you know that you have the ability to relax and you have the ability to help yourself. Be sure to grab my free checklist at the end of this video link. It will give you all of the juicy details in the description below on the top 10 ways to de-stress. It includes 5 more tips to relieve stress fast. Stress is actually your body's reaction to danger. Your body is so strong that it literally has your back and protects you in a rapid process known as stress response, or it's commonly known as fight or flight. The problem is when stress occurs too frequently, or you feel overwhelmed or anxious, that's when it starts to cause problems. Your mood, quality of life lessens, your blood pressure rises, and your muscles physically tighten. And if you tend to stress out a lot on a day-to-day basis, then it kind of feels normal. I have your back on that one too with how to distress daily. That's in my next video. Remember that everyone stresses out and it's okay. These tips that I have are universal. I practice them almost daily. They will help you relax and even be more productive. Tip number 1 is deep breathing. The beauty of this tip is you can do it anywhere and it comes in many forms. Deep breathing just means to breathe deeply from the abdomen instead of shallow breaths from your upper chest to inhale more oxygen. Breathing creates more oxygen your brain needs to focus more. My favorite type of deep breathing is called sit-still breathing. Lots of S's. You can say it cross-legged or on a chair, even in your car before that big presentation, before the audition, or before you get stressed out at work. Put your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your stomach. Breathe in and out, just noticing which hand is rising and how quickly your breath is traveling. Inhale for 10 through your nose, concentrating on your belly. You should feel your stomach move outward. Exhale for 10 through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale for 10 through your mouth, contracting your abdominal muscles or your abs. The hand on your stomach should move in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat this 3 times. Your stomach should move outward on the inhale and your stomach move inward on the exhale. If this feels difficult or uncomfortable, listen to your body. Try this exercise lying flat on your back. Feet grounded on the floor, shoulder width apart. Tip number 2, posture makes perfect. Standing like Prince Harry or Princess Meghan definitely has its benefits. Like the royal family, good posture includes shoulders back, chest up, opening your heart, chin up, spine tall, and crown of the head reaching up. Slumping is actually a sign of stress and anxiety. While it may seem difficult to correct your posture at first, it gets easier with time and practice. There are so many benefits for posture, including getting rid of aches and pains, a more positive attitude, and better alignment. This is one of my absolute favorite exercises to do. It's called ragdoll, and it creates alignment in your body and helps you relieve that heavy weight off of your shoulders. So stand tall with feet shoulder width apart. While keeping a bend in your knees, try to touch your feet with your hands for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go of your upper body like a ragdoll while keeping your hips down. You can nod, you can shake your head, let go of that neck tension. You can even bounce a little. Slowly come up one vertebrae at a time, starting with the tailbone and moving all the way up. The last bone to come up is the crown of your head. Stand tall for 5 seconds. 1, 2, keep rising. 4, 5. And if you find this a little difficult, just feel like you are Beyonce. Music really does matter. Think of a song that you absolutely love and makes you so happy. While classical music does have its benefits, I absolutely love classical music and think it is wonderful. Any song that actually resonates with you and makes you happier will provide healthy benefits for de-stressing yourself. Listening to music actually lowers your blood pressure, relaxes your body, calms your mind, and releases dopamine. Here are some of my favorite songs to get you started, and trust me, some of them are meditation, some of them are classical singing, some of them are yoga, indie, coffee shop. Whatever you like to listen to, go listen to it and go be in the present moment, feel exhilarated.
And it feels as though your memory's the only thing I own, but oh my darling, it won't be long.
Laughter is the best medicine when you're stressed. When you laugh, you immediately feel better and are able to release negative feelings. Laugh with a friend or find a viral video that you really like. It enhances your intake of oxygen, stimulates your heart, lungs, and muscles, and increases the endorphins that are released by your brain. Here are a few videos to get you started.
Since you
Say your name, please.
Hi, I'm Raylan.
Say your name a little more high energy.
Hi, I'm Raylan!
Okay, let's, somewhere in between.
Okay. I mean, that felt good, though. A mantra is like a golden ticket to a stress-free mind. It helps you become encouraged and prepared for the next task. A mantra is a phrase of power and strength you can repeat as many times as you would like that makes you feel like you can accomplish anything. One power tip that I like to use is I will write on sticky notes my actual mantra, and I will place it on my schedule, or I'll even put it in my phone as one of my notes, or I'll put it somewhere where I can visually see it every single day so it can give me a pep talk. Saying a mantra actually releases worry, improves self-confidence. So I had a few mantras that I actually live by, but I just recently read a book by Carol Whitaker, and she is one of my absolute favorite role models. She is a life coach. It wasn't until I read her book that my mindset completely changed, and I got about 3 great mantras that I use every day. Her book is called Ridiculously Happy: The Secret to Manifesting the Life and Body of Your Dreams, and I would definitely recommend it to you because it can help you tremendously. Go get this book. The link is in the description below to grab your copy. Be sure to look at yourself in a mirror when you're saying the mantras so you can have confidence. Say these self-care mantras daily. I am at peace. All is well. I choose to think thoughts that serve me. I love and believe in myself fully. If you have difficulty saying these mantras, work up to them. Instead say, I am enough. I can and I will. You will notice daily that you will feel more confident. Last is the bonus tip. Yoga, yes, yoga, has been able to withstand the test of time, and for very good reason. For over 5,000 years, it has helped transfer focus on the body and on the breath instead of on anxiety and thoughts. I have on my blog at raylannyc.com more power poses that will help you alleviate stress. This is one of my favorite power poses that you can do anywhere. It relaxes you, and it also makes me feel more confident in myself. Yoga has many benefits, including opening space in the body, relieving neck tension from sitting at your computer, and relaxes physical symptoms. Power poses are specifically designed to alleviate stress. When practiced regularly, it boosts positive feelings and reduces everyday stress. The best pose you can do now is Warrior One pose. Begin in mountain pose, standing with your feet hip distance apart, your arms at your sides. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees so your toes are pointing to the top of the mat. Pivot your left foot in. Align your front heel with the arch of your back foot. Keep your pelvis turned toward the front of your mat. Press your weight through your left heel. Then, exhale as you bend your right knee over your right ankle. Your shin should be perpendicular to the floor. Lift through the arches of your feet while rooting down through your ankles. Reach up strongly. If you're just starting out with this, I would definitely recommend modifications. Listen to your body. And I would recommend you to put your hands on your hips to create a shorter distance with your legs and to bend only slightly your right and left knee. Now you know my top 5 tips to relieve stress, plus a bonus tip for your workplace or the presentation or before an audition. Remember that this is your life, and giving your body and mind the relaxation that it needs will only help you. It will make your lifestyle better and make you a better version of yourself. Be sure to check out the videos and resources I mentioned in the description below and go out and conquer your day. But what if you need more tips? There are several ways to de-stress, and everyone has a best practice. Be sure to grab my checklist on the top 10 best ways to de-stress. It includes 5 more tips to relieve stress fast. It's in the description below. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, share with your friends, because sharing is caring, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you, beauty bodies. I'll see you in the next video.